prototype example. There he goes, takeoff clearance given, full power takeoff. Watch the short takeoff roll and straight up to 30 degrees of pitch.
Fairford first, UK first, the Airbus A400M. Now that is impressive.
Indeed, it is. Also new are the engines for Eurocrop International TP400D6s, each delivering some 11,000 shaft horsepower.
Those propellers had 8 blades each.
Watch now as he levels off and stick hard over to the right for a 60, or over to the left even, 60 degrees of bank as he brings the aircraft round onto the display datum again.
The aircraft seen as a replacement for the C-130 and Transall fleets in Europe. And also interest reported from both the USA and Australia in this aircraft.
Staying in front of the crowd now as the aircraft executes a 360-degree turn. Official orders at present stands 184 aircraft. The official order book numbering 60 for Germany, 50 for France, 27 for Spain, 25 for the Royal Air Force here, 10 for Turkey, 7 for Belgium, 4 for Malaysia, and 1 for Luxembourg, which will be operated by the Belgians.
The French Air Force will be the first to take delivery of their aircraft in 2 years' time, it's hoped.
Just topped out there at 1,000 feet. All gone quiet as the aircraft engines are brought back to idle, and eventually the flaps should be being lowered for the aircraft to come through in the full configuration pass as he completes this final manoeuvre.
First flight took place on December the 11th of last year from the ADS airfield in Seville. There are now, I believe, 3 of these aircraft flying.
As with other Airbus products, the major assemblies are flown to the final assembly plant, which is in Seville, aboard the very much adapted Airbus A300 Beluga freighters. The British contribution to the production effort is the outer wing box and flaps, which are being built at Filton. The wing itself is the first to be built entirely from carbon fibre reinforced plastic, and at 30% of the complete aircraft structure being made up of composites, that's more than any other large military aircraft, Airbus says.
Cruising speed of 480 miles an hour with a range of just over 2,000 miles at maximum payload.
Fully configured for landing, but it'll be flying through obviously 700 feet, full configuration and back as slow as he can with the flaps in full.
Starting the aircraft began way back in 1982.
Who was born in Cornwall, started flying with the RIAT in 1974 and lived at the US Air Force Test Pilot School at Edwards before serving with the then Royal Aircraft Establishment at Bedford. He was a certification test pilot for the CAA prior to joining Airbus as a project pilot for the A330 and A340. And he was also one of the first flight deck crew for the first A380 trip into Heathrow in May 2006.
Turn as it comes back towards us, the A400M.
Early on there in the zoom climb up to 2,000 feet. maximum 120-degree angle of bank at the top, shades of the old Dutch F-27 displays, if indeed he does go past the vertical here as he's planning to do, and there we go. The fly-by-wire controls allow the aircraft to reach that 120-degree angle of roll, no limit in pitch, roll rates up to 35 degrees a second. Crowd and pitching up. Aircraft entering the final manoeuvre of this sparkling display. The conditions downwind to do a full stop landing on runway 27. There are about 4,300 hours of development and qualification testing to be performed by the A400M test fleet, which will number 5 aircraft prior to that service entry, first with the French Armée de l'Air in December 2012 as things stand, and then the German Luftwaffe in 2014.
There we go, a fabulous Fairford and UK debut from the Airbus military A400M.
Superb display. Guys fully configured now for this landing, where he'll be demonstrating maximum braking and maximum reverse thrust. So let's just use those runway markers to see just how short this is.
Watch those props too, 8 blades on each propeller.